Guys, I'm super excited. Again, I got a notification from YouTube that I am now at 1,200 watch hours from, I think, over 500 hours the last time. If you watch my previous video where I talked about how I hit 500 watch hours from 7 hours, then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now in the space of 2 weeks, I hit 1,200 watch hours. Now, guess what? I'm not about to tell you or repeat what you've been hearing, what everybody's been saying. I actually explored a new method of increasing my watch hours this time, and that's what I'm about to share with you in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in listening to, please go ahead and hit the like button of this video, share this video when you're done, and please subscribe if you haven't. Okay, all right, now let's get into it. You see this 4,000 watch hours, trust me, it's a hassle. It's not easy. So I would come out here to celebrate every little milestone that I hit as far as watch time is concerned. Okay, so right now I'm going to share with you some of the things that I did. Actually, it was actually like, a new exploration, right? I decided not to like follow up all the previous method that I use, and which is also trending here, which includes probably live streaming, sharing your playlist, yada yada yada, and so on. Okay, so but for me this time around, I'll tell you guys what I did. I decided to explore some other method. This happened in 2 weeks. I think I added 700 watch hours extra in 2 weeks, but a different method. So whichever one works for you, you can actually apply any of the methods. Okay. So before I go into details of how I achieved this, I'm going to break down the watch hours in 2 minutes and tell you the number of views that is required for you to achieve this 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Now, 4,000 watch hours is equal to 240,000 minutes. That's when we are converting it into minutes. It gives you 240,000 minutes. Now, what this requires in views is for you to get 240,000 people to watch your videos for 1 minute. Yes, if 240,000 people watch your video, just spend 1 minute on your video, on one of your video, you're going to get 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Now, take for instance, these people decide to spend 2 minutes on your video. It means that you just need 120,000 people to watch your video for 2 minutes to give you 4,000 watch hours. Now, let's even say they decide to spend at least 3 minutes on your video. What that means is that you just need 80,000 people, 80,000 views on one video to get 4,000 watch hours. Now, lastly, if let's say they decide to watch your videos for 5 minutes each, that means you just need 48,000 people to watch your videos to give you your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so now let's now having given you this analysis, right? What do you think should come to mind when creating your videos? It means that you have to make sure that you create videos that are engaging, that will make people stay on your video for at least 5 minutes. This video has to be really engaging, right? One. Secondly, try to make sure that your videos are long, which brings my very first point. Create long videos that are at least 8 minutes to 10 minutes long. So now, when you create long videos and you have more people spend time on those long form videos, then you have a high chance of hitting your watch hours really fast. Okay. So me, I am still, as you can see, I'm still in the process of building my watch hours. I'm not even there yet. But what I have decided to do now is to make sure that I make videos that can actually stay long. So even if I'm not getting all of the views that I want to get, at least when people come and the few people that come on each of my videos is actually giving me watch hours. Okay. All right. So now there's a particular video that I did. I have videos. If you check through my channel, you will see some videos that are up to like I have a video that's up to 20 minutes, I have a video that's up to 1 hour, and that video is currently one of the videos that's actually helping me right now to build my watch hour, because it's a video that I call it a full packed video, a full packed video. Okay. So that video has gotten so many interests in the last few weeks. Let me just say 2-3 weeks, right? And that video is a video that's actually building my watch hour. So I'm going to tell you, create long videos. Create long videos. That will actually help to build your watch hour. So that's the one thing that I did. Okay. Yeah. So in fact, to be honest, this current video I'm making right now might not even be up to 10 minutes, but this video is a video to actually just pass on to you the information on how I was able to achieve this. Okay. So that was actually basically what I did. I didn't do much. I did live streaming, but if you check my live stream this period, I didn't really do much. I think I've just done 2 live stream in the past weeks. Okay. And I didn't even stay long on like the previous time I was doing live stream for 2 hours and all of that. I didn't even spend much time in my live stream this time around. I did not even share playlists. So the main secret here, I'm not even going to lie or tell you any other thing. I really don't have any other thing to tell you. But what I have to say is that create a value packed video and make sure that video is lengthy. Okay. And then put it out there, promote it. Actually, this video, I did promote this video on my YouTube studio. Like what I mean by that is that I was adding it a lot on my end screen. In most of my videos, you would see me talk about it. I'll put it on my end screen and I'll tell you, I'll ask people, have you watched this video? Even on my Even on my community, I also pasted some of the reviews that I got because somebody actually, used some of the tips that I shared in that video to work on her channel, and she actually experienced some growth on her channel. So I was posting all these reviews on my community tab, and I kept on, asking people to go watch that video. Now that video is what has actually built my watch time. That is actually what helped me. There's nothing, I don't see any other thing that has happened. Okay, and then okay, yeah, from all this other video where I shared how I made my 500 watch hours in like 2 days. Yes, that one has gotten views as well. So that has actually added. So let me just say, it was the views I got from these 2 videos that actually helped me to get up to 1,000, hours. Okay, so I'm actually encouraging you guys to try and make value packed videos. Make sure they are lengthy and people. See, let me share one secret with you guys. There's something I noticed about that video, right? In fact, I have created long videos and I have created short videos, and I've gone to YouTube Studio to check the analytics on these videos, the click-through rates, and the views, the duration of the views. Guess what? I realized that when you make long video, people actually stay in your video longer than they stay in your short videos. I don't know how, but that's just what happens. So I checked when I compare my long videos, my lengthy videos with my really short videos of 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I realized that the lengthy videos have more people stay up to, like, average video duration is usually around 5 minutes to 4 minutes. But when it's a short video, you see average video duration like around 2 minutes. So if you create lengthy videos, trust me, you're going to build watch hours really fast. Okay. All right, guys. But in addition to that, I don't want to tell you to just stick to that. You can still go ahead and post consistently. I've been posting consistently. Go ahead and share your playlist and do your live stream to increase your watch hours. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this was really valuable to you, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.